In today's video, I'm going to share with you some mom hacks to get you ready and organized for back to school. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I hope you will enjoy this video, and if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, just make sure to subscribe by clicking on the red subscribe button. So if you are interested in knowing more how to get organized for back to school and what these hacks are, make sure to follow till the very end. Hack number 1, breakfast. If you're like me, that in the morning I'm just rushing out of the door, then this idea will just be what you have been looking for. I got this idea from Clutterbug. If you don't know her, just visit her YouTube channel. I'll leave the link down below. Basically, this breakfast hack is you just have a basket ready on your countertop for breakfast with just some breakfast items, being cereals, cereal bars or croissants, whatever you like. Just something that you can just grab and go out of the door. Number 2, after school snacks. So I have 2 after school snacks. The first one, when they get out of the school. So when my kids, I don't know about yours, but when my kids get out of the school and into the car, the first thing that I say is, "Mom, I'm hungry." They don't ask me how my day was, they just ask that I'm hungry. They are hungry. So what I do is I keep a box in my car with snacks and I replenish it accordingly. So every time they tell me, "Mom, I'm hungry," I just grab the snack box and they can choose whatever they want. In the snack box I like to keep more healthier snacks than the normal snacks kind of things. So I like to use these Kiddelicious snacks. They kindly sponsored this video together with the Stashers snack bags. So, and they have a very good selection of healthier snacks for kids, which are ideal for when you are on the go. And they come packed, so you have like these ones. These are ideal for kids 12 months upwards. So if you have still a toddler, a baby, you can use them whenever you want. I mean, my daughter is 9 years old and she likes them as well. So, and I like to pack everything in the stasher bags. I don't know if you ever heard of them, but you literally can put anything in them. You can cook in it, you can freeze it, you can use it as a storage bag, anything. And there are different sizes. These are the snack size. I have also this size as well, and there's a larger one. But I love them. They're very durable, you can wash them, and they're reusable and they're eco-friendly, so that's good. So that's for the car. So those are ideal because you can just put the packs in your box and you're done. school snacks is at home. So my kids have a cabinet where they can take whatever there is in the cabinet. This is giving your children a choice, but a conscious, an intentional choice. You decide what goes into the snack bin. So, but you are still giving the choice, so you have to put some variety in it. But obviously, you have to put boundaries, like you can take only one from the snack bin, or two, depending what you do in those snack bins. And you can tell them, listen, first you take a fruit, then you take then if you're still hungry, you take yogurt or some cheese and crackers, and the last part will be you can take from the snack bin. Number 3, lunch boxes. So every year I end up buying lunch boxes, water bottles and everything, because lunch boxes I like to change for them so they can I see what works best for them. I like to buy the bento style boxes, those that are partitioned, so I can know how much protein they have, carbs, and if I need to put snacks, it's everything contained in one box. What's important is that you make sure that the compartments seal between each other, because it happened to me that they were not sealed, and if you put something liquid or a bit or fruit in one compartment, it leaks to the next compartment, and obviously the kids won't like it. It becomes soggy and it's not nice. Water bottles, well, by the end of the year they always happen to leak. I don't know why, but so the stasher bags come in handy, because if you have something that is in the stasher bag and it is waterproof, so if the bottle leaks, you don't have everything soggy and there's a mess all over the place. So you have to choose carefully your lunch boxes. This year I went for she has this one. This is for my daughter. She has been using it for summer school. It should have another box, and you have this one. This is for my son. This does not seal in between, so there is no seal in between, but these remove. And this is another one. This is the Sistema box, and you have different compartments where you can put their lunchbox. It makes it interesting for them to eat. And for my son, I got him this water bottle with cars. He loves cars. And I got him another one like this for when he has sandwiches or something that needs to go into one box alone. It does not have a compartment. I just got it because of the cars thing. Hack number 4, routines. Routines are very important, especially for children. They need to know what's happening next. What I normally do is I write the routines and I stick them either on the fridge somewhere where it is visible for the kids to know what's next. However, if your children are still starting school and they're not very sure, try a few weeks before, try rehearsal your routines. For example, in the morning, do not cram too much stuff to do in the morning because you're busy, you need to get out of the door very quickly. So start trying your routine out, see if it works. If it works, that's fine, you can proceed with it. If it does not work, see where you can adjust and delete or add and adjust it to your needs. But it's important that you rehearse it before and you stick it where you can see it, so the kids can know what is next. This year, what I have done is I have put it over here. It's fun, it's nice, it's like a form of a clipboard. It goes with my style, my home decor, so we already have set out our routine. Our morning routine doesn't change that much, not even in summer, so it's pretty standard, but the afternoon routine does change during school time. Hack number 5, a family calendar. So this year I did a DIY project for the family calendar. So I have a YouTube video for it, so if you have not seen it yet, just make sure to check it out. And basically this is a larger calendar, family calendar. I bought a frame and I did a calendar basically, and so that I can write on it, so I know who needs to be where and when, and everyone knows where they have to be. Hack number 6, drop zone. So I got this idea from Brianna Kay, another YouTuber, and she suggests having a drop zone basket. My kids, normally when they come into the home after school, they just drop their bags anywhere, basically. So this idea helps you have their bags into one place. So they have to leave their bags into a basket, so you know where the bags are. They are not running around all over the house, and anything that needs to go to school in the morning has to be in this drop zone basket, so that you know you don't forget anything at home, and that makes it easier in the morning to get out of the door hassle-free. Hack number 7, the homework station. This one I introduced last year. Basically, in the homework station, any homework, papers, whatever that comes in from school gets dropped in the homework station. My kids have one each, so anything that comes in, maybe homework that does not need to be done for the following day, but maybe a couple of days more, can be put in there, so that we know we take it when it's time to submit it to school. Or any other papers or forms that you need to fill in can be placed in there, so that you check them and action them accordingly. for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some ideas on how to get organized for back to school. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, and until the next time, bye.